Hey, what's up, everybody? So, Boss and I are here to give you a breakdown of how to properly pick your afro out into a perfect afro in the shower using a wooden pick and some water. So, we're gonna make this happen. Anything you want to say, Boss? No. Okay, he's a strong silent type. If you all didn't know. All right, so you hop in the shower, you get your wooden pick from Net Gold, obviously, because that's the best place to get a wooden pick, comb, anything. This Net Gold's amazing. All right, you need to wet your hair. So it's dawned on me since I've gotten my hair cut. This is the first time I'm actually picking my hair out. So we're going to do a little work here. So first I'm doing some mass finger detangling. Taking my hands, getting rid of all the naps. Just mass finger detangling right here. Changing the water temperature. My balls are getting a little cold. And we're going to, so very little mass fingering, you know. Yeah, okay, cool. There we go. Still fingering. All right, now we go to the pick. So remember the video I showed you earlier, how to start it out with the ends, right? My strategy, of course, is the finger, pick, finger, pick, finger, pick. So what I do is, all right, buddy? So what I do is I take the pick, put it through the hair, and pull up. As soon as I run into some resistance, I stop. Put my hands in there, get to that knot, undo the knot with my finger, and then repeat. So, right, so it's pick, right? So that's good. All right, so put my finger in there. See that? Boom. Pick. Finger goes in, gets rid of the knot. Finger goes in, gets rid of the knot. Instead of trying to pull through with the pick, which is ridiculous, right? It's not going to work, buddy. I tell them all the time it's not going to work. So you comb, finger, comb, finger, comb, finger, comb, finger, all the way through, and you get through all the knots that way. So you have no resistance at all. So you just comb. It's like a nice little rhythm, and then you get that. Look at that. Look how easy that is, right? A little up, knot, up, little knot. Boom. There we go. Right, glide through. Bam. It's super simple. Right, comb, finger, comb, finger, comb, finger. So essentially it's wood, finger, wood, finger, wood, finger, wood, finger. Gentlemen, that's probably gonna be a good one for you right there to learn. So just wood, finger, wood, finger, wood, finger, wood, finger, okay? And it'll leave you with good results. All right, then I go to the back. The back is always gonna be tricky. That's the excess hair that came out, just a little bit, Haven't combed my hair in months, so it is what it is. Okay, now the back's gonna be a little bit more difficult. The kitchen's always a little nappy, but since it's shorter, it's simpler. What I like to do is I want to be able to run the comb. What'd you say, buddy? Okay, I'm gonna be able to run the comb from the back of my neck all the way to the front. What? Am I not saying it correctly? All right, dang. So look, I want to run it from the back all the way up to the front, right? So you gotta get the middle. The middle's always an iffy part as well, because the pick doesn't go all the way back there, from the front and then from the back. So it's just a whole other thing. But same thing, wood finger, wood finger, wood finger, wood finger. And I didn't position the camera correctly to my height, and I do apologize about that, so you couldn't see it as well. But it's wood finger, wood finger. They're same deal. Everything's the same deal. Wood finger, wood finger, wood finger. And what's up, boss? Dude, I'm gonna teach you that when you get older, okay? I'm gonna break it down for you, the importance of wood finger, wood finger, wood finger. All right. But yeah, so look, you gotta go through the thing, and you gotta get it like that. So there you go, right? My arms are getting tired. It's definitely a workout. I'm a weak person. I don't exercise that much. You tell my lack of muscle mass, but it's cool. It's whatever. So yeah. So there we go. See, now it's making its way through most of it, right? Most of it all to the front. Boss, what's going on, buddy? You all right? Just look, man. Give me a couple more minutes, all right? So yeah. So then back to the front, back to the front, back to the front, back to the front. And eat it just like that. See that? Like, oh, okay. So now I'm scratching the scalp. It feels amazing. But yeah, so you see how it's making its way all the way through. That's what you want. That's what you want to be able to do. Like easily glide it through just like that. All right, so it's making its way through. Wood finger, wood finger. Boom. Like, see that? Boom. Straight through. Boom. Get rid of some of the excess hair. Straight through again. Look at that. Look at, there it is. There it is. There it is. Right, buddy? It looks dope. Whew. Dad. Yeah, that's me. I am your dad. Dad. But yeah, so all right, so we're still back to the front, back to the front. Dad. I'm your dad. Yes, I'm your dad. So here we are, all right, we're still here again. Back to the front. Dad. Yes, buddy, I'm your dad. All right, yeah, so where are we? Oh, yeah, okay, so back to the front, still wood finger. That's just the key to this whole thing here. Just going through it like that. And now we just make sure everything's good. So you see here, pretty much everything is easy flow through. And I still got the water running, so I need any more moisture to help it out. Do that. But yeah. Just pick. Alright, so now I'm fully done with the shower. Open up the curtain. Do the grand reveal of the bush. Alright. So there we go. Remember, my hair was cut, so it's not going to be as even as it was, or it would be if I started from 0 and let it all grow out as a unit. So there's a little bit unevenness to it, but it's cool. I accept it. It is what it is. So now I'm just picking through just to make sure I got every part perfectly well. And just pick. So to recap, the most important things when it comes to combing your hair out, trying to get a perfect afro in the shower, or just in general, is make sure, one, your hair is moist. Right, buddy? Your hair needs to be moist, because if your hair is not moist, then it's going to make it very difficult for the comb to go through. And then you need to do the wood finger technique. So you put the comb in, pull up until you hit a knot, put your fingers there, undo the knot, and then repeat. Just repeat that same section until you get it completely done. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you all so much, and we will see you later. Deuces!